Okay.
Round 2.
Wow.
Ooh.
I like that one.
You wanna come over here? We'll all do the video.
It's funny because I can barely just see the shadow of it right here.
Uh-huh.
Like the shadow of the phone case just right here.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
I can't.
Oh, I can see it.
Yeah.
Because when I go cross-eyed, I can see through stuff if I hold it enough.
Oh, right. We'll do, how about 5 minutes for this one?
Yeah.
No, 10.
I think we did I think we did 10 minutes for the last one.
About 11 for the first one.
How about 10 first? 10 or 9?
Neither.
Or 8?
I think 5 is good.
6 is good.
5.
6.
5 minutes, 30 seconds.
Yes.
I mean, we had to settle it.
Yeah.
I had to bring out the seconds.
Yep, we did.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That looks like watermelon.
Well, on here, yeah, it looks like water.
Yeah, on this it looked like a watermelon.
So this one I'm gonna be like.
Zoom in. Zoom in. That's a little far.
It's a tiny.
Big brain.
All right. All right. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh.
All right, I'm gonna pull back.
Yeah.
Pull back. All right.
Can I be in the fireworks?
No.
No.
We're just looking at the fireworks.
Yeah, we're trying to record a video.
I'm gonna be
I'm
in
gonna.
No, it's just a video of the fireworks.
No.
Yeah.
Next one
Well,
for me to
No.
Well, your voice is in the video.
All of our
be in.
voices are.
I want to be right there.
No.
Put your arms right here. Put it right there. Now you are part of the camera crew.
The Kit Kat channel.
Yep. Ow. Don't whack me in the face, please.
I wasn't.
Who did?
I didn't.
Here, Isabella.
You are goofy. Ooh, I like that one.
I have one thing to say after that. Why eat so much Taco Bell? That's enough Taco Bell to feed all of America.
Oh my
Just my
So
one
this-
word.
This is going to be a part 2, and it's going to be Riley, the cameraman, and his commentary.
Commentary crew.
Yep, the commentary crew. Ooh, that one is going way up there. Look. Oh, stop.
What?
That.
happened?
That was
I was trying to peel the sparkles off of a piece of grass,
Ow.
but then it just ripped.
Alright.
Okay. Wow. Ooh, that's pretty.
Sorry, I just keep on putting it towards your face.
Whoa. I like editing videos for some reason.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
I like editing videos because of like all the different things you can do with the videos, all the sound effects.
This one, I'm giving you credit. I'm going to say that you were the camera dude.
Da.
You were the director. Okay? The Riley's first directing debut of my phone.
Yeah.
What, you stopped? See? Look at the little red,
Oh yeah. There are 5 of them.
yep, there are 5 of them. So they'll start at the left and then go to the right.
Oh yeah, that's how they did it. They went.
Yeah. See the one on the left, then the 2 in the middle, actually 3, and then roughly around here.
Oh, my neck
Up.
hurts
Nope.
from looking up.
Still, I know. You want to stop? Here.
No.
Oh. Stop. All right.
since you're trying to get into the video. And if you get into the
Yeah.
video, you're ruling it.